Have you ever found yourself lost in a big train station, an airport, or a hospital? About a year ago, when we could still go outside, we met someone at UNM hospital. He came down to visit one of his relatives who had a surgery. He found himself lost in the hospital, and by the time he found his way back to his relative, it was already late, and his relative was dead. The blue lines on this map show all the places where the person was wandering around before getting to the right place. So, as a solution to the indoor wayfinding problem, we introduce IndoorNav Systems. Hi, I'm Djamen Ahsan. I'm a senior studying computer science at the University of New Mexico.
Hi, I'm Loic. I'm a PhD student studying electrical engineering at UNM.
Hi, I'm Sandesh Timilsina. I have bachelor's degree in computer science and mathematics from University of New Mexico.
And we are the founders of IndoorNav Systems. To dig more into this problem, we asked 48 random visitors at UNM hospital how they would feel about having an indoor navigation app to find their way around the hospital. Only 16.7% of them were comfortable without an app. Furthermore, the receptionist said that 2 out of 10 people returned for directions to be repeated. According to a study by Emory University Hospital Midtown, 1 out of 3 hospital visitors get lost during their first visit. 1 out of 4 hospital workers are confused about the critical locations in the hospital, and 30,000 working hours are wasted every year by hospital employees because of being interrupted to give visitors directions. The technological problem with indoor navigation is that the regular navigation systems work using GPS, and GPS is not reliable in indoor setting. Furthermore, higher electromagnetic interference makes it hard to find the precise location using the other technologies such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. IndoorNav Systems is a QR code-based wayfinding solution for indoor settings. QR codes will be placed throughout the hospital at very small distance intervals. The user will start the navigation by entering the destination and then scanning the closest QR code, which will pinpoint the user's current location on our digital map. This will then prompt the directions to the destination on the application. The user can scan as many QR codes as necessary. We are using QR codes as an inexpensive alternative to GPS tracking on our system. Our customers will initially be the hospitals, and in the future we plan to expand the service to other institutions and commercial places such as city malls, airports, or public places where visitors often get lost. As for our competitors, we have Microsoft Path Guide, which requires the directions to be pre-recorded by a previous user. Google Indoor Maps doesn't have any real-time tracking at all, and InSoft is very expensive in terms of installation. Comparing all the criteria of a good navigation system, our system outperforms the existing ones. According to the same study by Emory University Hospital, the annual revenue leakage of an average US hospital due to the wasted hours of employees is $220,000. Considering that there are about 4,000 major US hospitals, we have a market size of $880 million strictly for the hospitals. The estimated annual cost of installations and maintenance for the 4,000 hospitals is $40 million, and the annual revenue is $200 million. Currently, we are at the final stage of the development of version 1. Version 1 is going to be QR code based only. The version 1 is scheduled to be tested at UNM Hospital at the beginning of the summer. We are also planning on the development of version 2, which will use computer vision and artificial intelligence to enhance the real-time experience. So, let's use IndoorNav Systems to stay on the right path always. Thank you.